Hi, welcome to ArtAngel. Today we are featuring a magnetic cup and a humidifier. My daughter Siloy will tell you a little about the humidifier.
Okay, folks, so this here is called a Vicks humidifier. It allows the user to be able to breathe easier on those nights or days when the air feels stuffy or dry, especially now with a lot of the Saharan dust, right? So it's pretty easy to use. You would fill it up. It's pretty heavy, so you fill it up, and after you fill it up, make sure it's settled. You plug it in. Right now, if you want, you can in here insert some of the lavender, menthol, whatever is your flavor that you want to get that nice smell and aroma coming out, and it filters here into the air, makes the air easier to breathe and scented as well at the same time. So here is your switch. You just plug it on, you switch it on, the green light comes on, and voila, clean, nice air, purifying, and it's easy for both adults and children to use and to help, especially in the nighttime. Right? Moving on here now, we have the coffee magnetized water cup. Right? Now, when you magnetize water, there are a lot of benefits. So, first things first, before we get to the benefits, you would open at the bottom here. You would see there is a rubber enclosement. You open it and you put in your battery, right? It's a small AA triple A battery, and then you close it back up. In here, when you open, you see I've already placed some water, right? That little white magnetized item at the bottom, he's called a stirrer. He is magnetic, so based on the water stirring, he helps stir the water, and then you use this water, either you drink the water like that, or use the same water to add for coffee or for any kind of drink. Now remember, you could magnetize other liquids as well, right? So after you finish put that on, you could either put on the cup and then press the switch. But just for today, let's keep off the lid and see what goes on. Press on the switch and you start to hear that sound, and you see that suction moving like a tornado, and that means it's starting to get magnetized. Now, magnetized water, right? The benefits of it would be that you would have long-term absorption, improvement in gastrointestinal function. It promotes metabolism. That means you will be able to eat your food and it will digest quicker, right? Not just stay in your bowels. It will improve your immunity. Drinking magnetized water in long term will lower blood pressure, right? Reverse thrombosis, obesity, uritis, gastritis, constipation. Using this magnetized water as well, and here we stop it, right? So that's a good few minutes, just a few minutes, up to you how long you want to go. Using this magnetized water in long term will also, if you use the water to brush your teeth as a mouthwash, it will effectively remove dental stones, prevent gingivitis, make your teeth white and strong. Using magnetized water for bath and all, because they are bigger ones to these, right? It will help to avoid acne, slow down allergic skin symptoms so that the skin will be soft and smooth and get deep hydration. If you use this magnetized water as well in as your shampoo, when you're shampooing your hair, it will strengthen your hair root, prevent hair loss, and reduce dandruff. Right? So, all in all, magnetized water, the molecules infiltrate and penetrate human cells and brings us a lot of improvements, and it sees all the ways and keeps us healthy. So, it's a good product to invest in.
Thank you, Siloy. And there we have it. This is not a sponsored video. I repeat, this is not a sponsored video. We have the humidifier and the magnetic cup to aid in healthy living. As we practice the art of healthy living, these are just a few items or two items that we can add to our daily life or our daily use. And that's a wrap from Art Angel.
See you next